Alright guys, today I'm going to show you the Vforce grills I told you I'd do a video on. They have the shape to them like a goggle shape. They're really good. And the material on them is like very flexible. And quick change lens. So you just want to go on the inside, let it focus. There's a clamp right there and a clamp right there. You want to push them two clamps. Right, you want to push them two clamps in, and push out. And this will just come right up like that. And then you do the same with the other side. And then you just push these out like this. You push them out, pull this out, and then the goggles will just fall out. Alright, and then to put it back in, you just like this. And then you just clamp it back in, just like that. And then these things will not fall out. The foam inside of them is very soft. They have a chin strap that you can use, but I don't like it. Overall, it's a nice mask. It's a very nice mask. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Go get this Vforce grills from ansgear.com.